Welcome to Nashville, beautiful people. I'm Stephen Miller with Vitality Realty, and I'm so excited to get to show you inside 1134 Bal-Bay Drive here in the beautiful Forest Hills area of Nashville. This is just over a 2-acre lot, just under 11,000 square feet. It's gorgeous inside. You're gonna love it. I do videos like this every week, so make sure you're following along. And if you're looking to buy or sell a home here in the Nashville area, I'm your guy. From the second you walk into this home, you're just struck with a sense of awe. It has that jaw-dropping factor about it. Like when you see it from the outside, you just sort of like, wow, this is gorgeous. What a beautiful home. But when you come inside, it's absolutely stunning. It's 7 bedrooms, 7 full baths, 2 half baths, just under 11,000 square feet. This home is a custom build by Chandelier Development, and they truly have outdone themselves. So just as you come into the home past the foyer, the very first room that you're gonna come to is this dining space. I love this room. I love the full wall of windows right here, the custom wood panel walls that are sort of a modern take on that classic look. And then this very unique light fixture right here. It's almost like a bubble pearl type look, but it really is elegant and elevates this space so much. But my favorite part about this room is that we have a hidden door leading into the Butlers Pantry. This kitchen has such a unique design. I've never seen anything quite like it. It's so open. I can see into the living room, into the dining area. You can see right over to the covered patio on the back where the pool is. It does have a second chef's kitchen as well as a butler's pantry and a wet bar. So there's so much space for prep. This is like an entertainer's dream home because not only do you have this bar area right here that sort of intersects perpendicular with the island, you've got so much more space to hang out and stay connected with your guests. I love that. I love how high the ceilings are, and I love that these sort of orb lights hang over the island here. This is an amazing space. I love it. So this living room is the living room that dreams are made of. Guys, look at this wall of windows. So much natural light pouring in. I love these light fixtures, but you don't need them because there's so much light coming in here. We've got this gorgeous oversized stucco gas fireplace that is beautiful. It might be that I had 7 children and I love Christmas, but I can just imagine a massive Christmas tree right here in the corner here. Everyone's sitting around, opening presents, laughing, listening to Christmas music. This is the kind of room that I dream about on Christmas morning. Just past the living room, you've got this extra bedroom on this side of the home. It's got its own walk-in closet, a bathroom right here, as well as these oversized custom windows overlooking the pool. I love this light fixture, such a great layout. Guys, this primary suite is amazing. And I'm not just talking about this beautiful primary bedroom with a full wall of windows backing up to this private wooded area. You have a pool view, it's gorgeous, but let's check out the bathroom because it's gonna blow your mind. So the walk-in closet on the primary suite, I don't even know if I can call it a walk-in closet. This is like a room. It is massive. There's so much space in here. You've got so much room for hanging clothes, so much built-in dresser drawers as well. It's connected to the primary bathroom, which has so much room, including a walk-through shower, and it's connected to this beautiful laundry room that I'm gonna show you in just a moment, which just makes it so convenient because you can do your laundry, bring it straight into your closet. So convenient. This home has 3 floors. You've got a basement that's finished as well as a second floor upstairs. Let's go check out the basement first. So we are in the theater in the basement, and it's got its own kitchen area, it's got its own sink, sort of all the appliances and everything are soon to come, just like upstairs. This is a $10 million home, so you can imagine very high-end appliances will be installed. They just aren't here yet, but this room is super cool. Imagine popping some popcorn, watching your favorite movie down here with your friends. Kind of a cool deal. This bedroom here in the basement is so cool. It's got its own bathroom. It's got its own ensuite terrace that you can just walk out, get a little fresh air, especially in the fall. It's so beautiful here in Nashville, Tennessee. Such a cool room. So that's the basement. Let's check upstairs. So this upstairs feels so spacious. I love that even for a second floor, the ceilings are so high, so you can really breathe in here. This room is a great living space for the second floor. You could put some couches in here, a TV here, maybe a foosball table or something, if that's your thing. There's also an additional landing space as you come up the stairs. Put a couch there, maybe a second Christmas tree, who knows. This is a great floor for the kids or the guests. There are 4 bedrooms up here, each with its own bathroom and walk-in closet. There's also an additional laundry room up here, so you don't have to carry the laundry up and down the stairs. So great. And there is sort of a school, homework, study type space as well, with some built-in desks that are truly remarkable. This floor is so versatile. It really is a great place to do life.
Miles and miles of clear blue skies. We drive straight as a narrow flies. Nowhere to be, no dreams to chase tonight. We've got time to waste, let's waste it
course, you have this gorgeous outdoor space here. This is beautiful year round. You've got an infinity pool that you can hang out in the summertime. You've got this beautiful covered patio that has these blinds that come down to keep it warm in the winter. You've got a fireplace over here as well, or you've got these ceiling fans in here to keep it cool in the summer. This is truly an incredible outdoor space. Guys, that is pretty much it for today's home tour, but I'm all over social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, you name it, I am there, and I would love to show you some homes, so let's make sure we stay in touch, all right? We'll see you next time. Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you.